breakfast. This morning I'm gonna kick it up a notch with scrambling eggs. Right now I have my onions, frying those. Now I'm going to add my eggs. I got Lowry seasoned salt and black pepper. On top of that, I have a slice of cheese. You know, the kind you put on your sandwiches. And that's 2 eggs. Just keep scrambling it up, mixing it up until eggs are done and the cheese is melted. That doesn't take long at all. Couple of minutes here. Yeah, you can see the cheese is melting in there. Alright, and the eggs are getting done. If you want to kick it up another notch, you can add some tomatoes, or you can add spinach, or you can add both. That's kicking it up another notch. Okie dokie then. All ready to eat.